And then we got to know that even some persons are admitted to the law school who didn't write the exams at all.
Wow. They didn't write the entrance exam?
Yes, backdoor admissions were happening. These are contained in official reports commissioned by the General Legal Council itself. Scandal. So we said no way.
But let's look at this again. Honorable Dr. Matthew Poku Prempeh, who had been a member of this house for a number of years, at the time, before it became an act, he actually had this to say. He referred to the bill at the time as a bad-crafted bill. And that's not all. The former Attorney General, Honorable Godfrey Dame, also had this to say. He said that this bill is ill thought through and can only lead the nation down a very dangerous trackway. Honorable, upon hindsight and being objective, and let's put some politics aside, would you want to agree with them to some extent?
To which extent?
To the extent that recently...
No. Well, I understand the question. What is exactly is Matthew Poku Prempeh talking about? First of all, he's not a lawyer. He's a medical doctor. He's a dentist, trained dentist. Which part of the bill is supposedly badly crafted? Which part? Is it the English? Or we use English to draft bills? Which one? Has it got a problem with any of the syntax? That's the internal structure of sentence or what? You see, the NPP in government refused to accept the reforms, even a modicum of it. They were not interested. They constitute, because a lot of their seniors constitute themselves into that school of thought that said we must never open up legal education to other Ghanaians.
Okay.
It must be jealously guarded for some of them, because you see, and I say this without hesitation, because the report exists. When you check the report of the ad hoc committee established by the General Legal Council, of which the former Attorney General was a member of the General Legal Council, and the former bar president was a member of the ad hoc committee that inquired into the scandal. The people who were admitted to the law school without writing the exams, some were children of senior people in the NDP.
Okay.
Do you understand my point? So, even at that level, they were playing politics with the school's admission.
Okay.
And they were creating very feeble opportunities for their wards and family members, to the detriment of fair play. And you see, this reform has caused all those things to be evaporated. They no longer will serve their purpose. So they are agreed. So it's a tragedy that we have, with all due respect to him, that somebody who has served in parliament for about four terms, been a minister of education. And mind you, legal training is part of education. Educating the mind of the people. We'll say this about this reform. This is a reform that is opening access to legal education everywhere, where you have an accredited faculty of law. So that when the faculty of law of University of Development Studies is accredited, for instance, I don't have to travel from Tamale to even to Kumasi or Accra in order to become a lawyer. That is where the nation must be headed. That we must develop as a people to the extent that opportunities must be fairly distributed wherever you are,